I'm Stephanie and this is my apartment. Just a little bit of context. I live in LA, specifically the Valley, and we have lived in this apartment for over 7 years now. We are super lucky with rent control, so we only pay $1,300 a month. I mean, it's not nice, but it's good for that price, especially nowadays. I'm gonna take you around and show you what I've done with the place. All right, that's enough to get started. Let's take a little tour of my apartment. I guess we'll start here. We're in the entryway. We like to call it Fort Knox. We have 1, 2, 3, and we have a screen door with 2 more locks. So we're safe in here. It's Fort Knox. So pretty much when you enter, you're like hit straight into the dining area, but I've tried to make like a little drop zone. So we call this the hall tree, sunglasses, keys. We have our masks up there, and then I just put some hooks for my bags. This is a chair, kind of part of the entryway. It's a good spot to put on shoes. Oh, and I guess I should mention that we put some shoes in here too. It's like our really dirty hiking workout shoes go in there. But yeah, I got this at an antique mall in San Diego when I was down visiting family. Yeah, nice to have, not the most comfortable again. You'll see a theme that I have some regrettable seating choices, but you live and learn. Straight into the dining area. So this is a makeover I did kind of recently on my channel if you want to see the before and after. To be honest, I'm not like, now that I've lived with it for a little bit, I'm not in love with how it turned out, which is fine. It's always fun to explore, but I did add the beadboard back here, these sconces, which are from World Market, some candles in them, and yeah, I did the table. This is an IKEA table that I plastered, just some Facebook Marketplace, ladder, chairs with rush seats. I would have loved to do a light fixture, but I just didn't get around to it, so that's fine. And then on this side, it's kind of like an extension of the kitchen, but I did put this also from IKEA, this bench back here for extra seating, so we can get a few people around the table. Not that many, our place is small anyway, but it's cozy, cute. Oh, and then the rug is also from IKEA as well. This is probably my favorite space in the apartment. And this couch is actually from Article, but I've covered it with a drop cloth, and I have a video on my channel showing you how to do that. So if you're interested how to get this look, then you can watch that video. But yeah, I just really love how cozy this space is. We like to hang out here. We eat dinner at the coffee table. We have morning coffee here, dinner here. Like, this is our most used spot of the apartment. And yeah, a few things I've done. This is actually a painting that I did. Like, I started this painting and then I got COVID. And I was like, okay, well, I can't do anything for a couple weeks. So that was my COVID painting, is how I like to call it. And then we put up recently, I just put up these, well, I had these curtains actually, but I made them all pinch pleat with some pleater hooks, and I have a video about that. But then the newest addition is, as you'll notice, we don't have a TV, and that's because we got a projector. It's a game changer. So I've actually mounted the screen up here, and should I just pull it down? So it's a nice big screen. And then of course it's in front of the window, which is perfect, so it blocks out any excess light. And then we just push these away and we can watch movies or TV or whatever. And it's a little bit, sorry, I should put that up first. it's a little bit of an ordeal to like watch TV now, which is kind of nice because then we don't watch as much. And we love watching TV, so yeah. But love that addition, and I love not having the eyesore of the television. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. It's really great that we have a fireplace. It's wood burning. We've actually only used it a few times, and it does get a little smoky in here, so I think we need to get a chimney sweep out to make sure that it's like fully functioning. But we just tried it for the first time last year. Of course, it doesn't get very cold in LA, but it's a nice cozy thing to have. Last big piece of furniture would be this dresser. We've had this since our first apartment in San Diego, and it was like this really gross mustardy, greeny yellow, and it was like that for a long time. And then again during quarantine, I was like, lost my job, got nothing to do, let me redecorate. So a lot of these changes happened during quarantine. Let me know if you have any questions on where I got things, and I can help answer those in the comments below, because it's just too much to point out where everything is, and I think that's kind of boring. Anyway, as you can see behind here is our office space. This is pretty much my husband's office. He works from home and he has a tech job. It's a nice spot to have it where he's like facing out rather than facing a wall. So I really like this layout. And then this is also where we've mounted the projector, and he has a standing desk. So it just raises up, the projector's underneath, and then we can watch shows. And then this piece is probably my favorite piece in the whole place. It's an armoire I got off Facebook Marketplace for free. I only paid for delivery, which was quite the feat to get it in here. But yeah, we did manage to get it up the stairs and through the door. It's here and it's not moving. And yeah, so it's just a cute little cozy space. And then on this side, I have this cabinet that I DIY'd. But I have all of my like paint supplies, craft supplies, sewing machine. It's all in there. And another painting of mine that I did. Yeah, just a cute little cozy working spot. Let's move on to the kitchen. Alright, so very cozy, aka tiny kitchen, not a lot of counter space. Most of the time this is covered in dishes, but we've managed to do some of our chores today, which was good. Good timing for the video. But yeah, so we just got this cabinet recently because we got an espresso machine. That was our Christmas gift to each other last year, and we have coffee every day. And then that's why I wanted to put in the shelves to kind of give it like a coffee bar area. But of course, I'm literally not even like, the only ones I use are these two, and everything else is just decor pretty much. I guess I use those, but mostly decor. But yeah, it's a nice little nook. And then you have the kitchen. We actually did add in the shelf, which is nice extra storage. And yeah, not much to say. I like it. It's cozy. I do like these. It's kind of like a Tudor style, like Spanish Tudor style hardware, which is like original to the apartment itself. So that's kind of fun. Okay, so right through the kitchen is the hallway, and we have lots of nice storage in here. Then through here is the bathroom. It's not very big, nothing to write home about, but it is cute. Does the job. It's got, you know, pink tiles. I haven't really done anything. I would have loved to do another light fixture, but oh well. And then on this side, just put up some artwork with this shelf. And yeah, I'm gonna have some branches over the toilet just to dress it up a little bit, make it look a little cuter. But that's the bathroom. And not much else to say about that. I added this medicine cabinet from IKEA to get more storage. Yeah. Does the job. Okay, and then just off of the bathroom, turn that off, turn this off, and then we have a pocket door, and then this goes into the bedroom. welcome to the bedroom. I put up these little hooks here to keep my bathrobes, and we actually recently redid the bedroom, so I have that makeover on the channel. And I have a desk in here now. I'm working full-time for an interior design firm, so I do a lot of like their admin, ordering, and then also some design tasks, which is fun. So now I work from here, and I actually recovered this chair myself, which was quite the task, but it was fun. It was a velvety like brown before, and I actually found this on the side of the road. So that was a fun task. I think it looks really cute now. And then on this side, obviously, is bedroom. Oh, I guess I should say we have lots of closet space. I like to refer to this area as the attic, just because, you know, I like to pretend we live in a house, even though we don't. I got the bed along this back wall, put up 2 mirrors, and then I made those nightstands. This is the brightest room in the apartment as well, which is kind of sad because we only sleep in here. I guess I work in here now, so that's kind of nice, but yeah, I wish the other side was brighter, like the living room and kitchen. It's pretty dark on that side, but what are you gonna do? This bedding is Brook linen. I got this quilt off Etsy. This is also off Etsy. It's kind of new. I love this bolster pillow. And then I got this dresser kind of recently as well from Facebook Marketplace. It's a bit rickety, but it does the job, and I just have my our perfume and cologne here, and then I keep all my hair accessories in this little guy. Oh, last thing I guess I could mention is the light fixture. So it's a DIY project, and I think it turned out nice. It's actually a linen food dome. Like, you know, when you go like a picnic or something, you have a dome to cover it for the flies. So I flipped it upside down and I made it into a pendant, which I think is cool. But yeah, that is our 1-bedroom apartment in LA. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or want links to anything. I'll do my best to put things in the description below. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye. Cocktail now.